This week on Cross Country Adventures, Dad and I get ready for the trip to Sand Mountain. We installed a bumper and a winch. I have my own montage, and I use the torque wrench. Dad does a lot of talking. And Dad opens boxes.
Hey guys, so we're gearing up to go to Sand Mountain, Nevada to go ride the dunes and get some desert riding in. Bought a few things for the CanAm. We got the Warren Axon 5,500 pound winch, and that's going to be attached to the Super ATV front bumper. A pretty cool setup. And then we've got the Super ATV receiver hitch for the back. Not only can we pull a trailer, a small trailer, but yet we can also get towed and be pulled out or pull someone from the rear of the vehicle. We also have intrusion bars. We got the Dragonfire mirrors. We also got some door bags and a center seat bag. Kind of strapped on time to get everything installed, so I think I'm gonna have to call in reinforcements. Hey Grace! Can you go get the CanAm for me?
Oh yeah!
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
All right, Grace, time to get to work.
Sweet redemption, I will never let you down. Will it ever get funny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brand. You say you will.
There's something in the mystery big box. What do you guys think?
I'm calling your addictive brand. You say you will, yeah. I'm causing the obsessive line. There it is. Took it kinda heavy, baby. I'm a loving kind. Jaded loving hazard doesn't really matter, baby. Say you will be mine.
Go riding in it?
Go right in.
Next time on Cross Country Adventures. Mom and Dad are going on a trip, leaving the kids at home. What? That's cow poop!